what's going to happen in the rest of the country? Cases still rising, and now July 31st is the deadline for lockdown 2.0. What will unlock 3.0 look like? Well, Neeta Sharma joins us with lots more details. Neeta, what are the big headlines out of what a possible unlock 3.0 could be?
Sonia, a representation from the cinema hall owners has been given to the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, according to which they want the cinema halls to, again start functioning. As per their demand, they want 30 to 40% capacity of cinema halls. However, the sources in Information and Broadcasting tell us that about 25 to 30% of capacity, the cinema halls are going to get opened from August 1st. However, this representation has been submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs, who is going to take a final call. As far as the metro operations are concerned, as far as Delhi is concerned, the Delhi government wants the metros to start, but however, centre is yet to take a call. As far as schools and colleges are concerned, online classes are going to continue, because the thinking behind this, the government feels that when schools are going to get reopened, it can again develop into a small cluster. That is why they are in favor of online classes. And rest, as other states are there, each state is coming out with their do's and don'ts. The Ministry of Home Affairs and Centre is obviously watching. As per their data, 83% of COVID cases are from 10 states and 85% of deaths are also from 7 states. These states, most of them have gone on under lockdown of their own. But, a universal guideline is about to come on August 1st, in which we are going to see some relaxations as far as cinema halls and gymnasiums are concerned, with lots of restrictions, obviously.
Right, Neeta, of course, the big other question is going to be on transport. So, for instance, on trains and international flights, what's the status on that?
As far as international flights are concerned, India has already started air bubbles with some selected countries, in which, France is there and America is there. So these air bubbles, the flights are going to operate. However, there was again a change of guidelines just a couple of days back, in which the Union Home Ministry had decided, that before a passenger is going to board a plane,
right,
he has to give where he wants to get quarantined. Because in last couple of days, we had seen many uneasy scenes and heated arguments between district administration officers and also passengers here at Delhi's airport. To avoid that, this thing is being thought of. However, now they are saying the passenger manifest is going to be shared before the passenger lands in any particular airport.
Right.
Sonia?
And no news on trains yet?
No, as far as trains are concerned, no, because even as far as metros are concerned, the centre is yet to take a call, because the biggest concern is that the entire metro operations is air conditioned. And as far as air conditioning is concerned, centre has, big concerns about that. You need some particular kind of temperature, some particular kind of, air, fresh air needs to be circulated. So keeping all those things in mind, that is why the centre has not started metro operations. But in Unlock 3, again, Delhi government has pushed in their request, saying that the metro operations should also start in Delhi, more so because the numbers are going so down.
Right.